Hi guys, I'm Matty.
And I'm Gian.
And today, welcome to Gadget Pilipinas.
Hello. So, I'm joined by my son. This is Matty, and we're going to show you something really cool. This is a product from PLDT, and this is PLDT Home Wifi. So it's supposedly very easy to install, and I'm gonna show you guys. Even a kid like Matty can install it on his own. Tama? No? So he's unboxing the device right now. So Matty, what can you find inside the box? Can you please show me what's inside?
Where's the... I cannot take this.
So the good thing about the PLDT Home Wi-Fi is that PLDT, of course, the mother company, they're basically collaborating now with Smart, and they're basically using the infrastructure of Smart LTE for this one. What was that?
This instructions.
Instructions. Oh, cool.
What is this?
Those. So this is the SIM. So as I mentioned earlier, they also included a SIM card. And basically the SIM card, oh, it's green.
And this is the one that I'm talking about.
Yes. The SIM card is actually powered by Smart. So they're riding on the infrastructure of Smart LTE. So we've covered a lot of Smart LTE videos about how fast it is in some areas like Antipolo, Marikina, and also Davao, and even Cebu. So Matty, there is a SIM, as I mentioned. It is already preloaded with 10 gig of data allocation for 7 days.
There's a hole.
Sure. So again, there's a user guide. There's also a SIM card. Before we show it to them, let's even unbox it further. Let's show them what's inside.
There's more. There's wire.
Ano pa? So meron pang. So there's a wire. Okay. This is the Ethernet cable. It's free out of the box.
Wire. And I
This
don't know
one.
what is this. This is a
This is the power adapter.
And this is no idea thing.
These are mounting tabs. So just so you know, mounting tabs, because it is, well, the router is designed for it to be hanged or probably even placed on your table.
Is this a book? A small book? I can't see any words.
Can you read it?
It said blah blah blah.
Show them. And then there's an Ethernet cable na kasama, saka power adapter, at saka meron ding mga mounting tabs which you can actually attach here.
But I call him unknown thing.
Unknown thing. Oh,
Yes.
because you don't know what it is.
Yes, because I think it is just unknown things.
So there, you can attach it like that, so you can place it on your table.
Like this.
Very easy, very
So
nice
it
and easy.
can-
Again, as I mentioned, it's using Smart LTE, and whatever is in here, basically, it's a SIM card. It's already pre-installed inside the travel Wi-Fi. So, andyan na siya. Kung malaman mo, kung gusto mong malaman kung ano yung number, it's already here. So, if you want to load.
What is this?
This is the instructions.
But we have the instructions for the instructions.
That's the user guide. Just how you use it. So, it's fairly easy to actually install. So, the first thing, Matty, turo mo nga sa akin. The first thing is, sabi dito, attach the stand at the bottom of the travel home Wi-Fi.
Is it like this?
Right.
Yeah.
There.
So it's like, no, it's baliktad.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. There. So, you attach it. So, again, the reason for that is para mapatong mo sa table mo na mas maayos at hindi siya nag-wobbly. And next is number 2. Plug your PLDT home Wi-Fi modem to a power outlet. So, ito na siya.
I'll do it.
Don't worry, I'll be the one kasi para, no? Para
Can I
hindi
do
delikado.
this?
Don't worry, we'll do it later. That's not yet required for now. Sinalagay dito. Nga, turo mo nga sa akin.
Here.
So, it's here. Pakita sa kanila. Sabi mo saan na? Saan nalagay?
It's here.
Here.
So,
Saksak
can
mo.
I put-
Tingin nga. Okay, so now, sasaksak natin siya. Alright. So, nakasaksak na siya. And the next thing we do is we turn it on.
Yeah.
Sabi dito, place your modem near a window to get the best signal. So, for now, since medyo malayo tayo ng konti sa window, we're going to just put it right here with us. And then, it says here, how do you turn it on? Sabi dito, later on when we turn it on, best signal is blue, good signal is green. So indicator siya should you want to relocate the travel Wi-Fi, or the
Red.
Wi-Fi rather.
How about the red signal?
Red is, can you say it? Can you read it?
Bad signal.
Bad signal. And then the other one is
No
no signal kapag ka
Pag
blinking
blinking.
red. So it means hindi siya nakakasagap ng signal, so you have to relocate the router. Okay? So now let's turn it on. Can you turn it on?
Okay.
Here? There you go. Now, it also has an Ethernet port, so just in case you want to attach this or use this for your WAN, then that is very easy. So, bahala ka kung meron kang ibang Wi-Fi or extender, you can use that to further extend the, kung hanggang saan ka pwedeng umabot ng internet.
That's all the things inside the box.
Yep, everything inside the box, and install na natin siya. So, it's currently powered on. At ito, bumubukas na yung LAN. And later, it will tell us if meron ng signal. Okay. There. So, nakailaw na yung Wi-Fi. And then now, signal, it's currently checking if may signal siya or wala. Okay, so now it's currently powered up. And the Wi-Fi is already on. And then the signal is already up. Imagine mo nga, Matty, paano kung walang internet sa bahay? What's gonna happen?
We don't have any thingamajiggy.
Thingamajiggy. Would you be able to watch your favorite videos?
We can watch on our phones.
Your cell phones? You think you can use your cell phone and watch videos on YouTube without the internet?
No, but we can use it with this.
Yes, you can use it with the PLDT Home Wi-Fi. Yeah.
But no signal.
No signal? What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What does it say kapag color blue?
Blue. Blue. Well, get that time.
B, best signal. So, currently here at our current location, blue ang signal natin dito. So, that means we're at the best location and we can use the internet here. Smart LTE Wi-Fi at probably around 5 to 16 Mbps. And that is, well, that reminds me, we have to check then kung gaano kabilis ang internet dito. Do you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're back, and as you can see, we've already installed the PLDT Home Wi-Fi, and let's see if we're already connected to the internet. So far, best signal tayo, Matty. Anong color siya?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so ano ba gusto mong gawin natin?
Can we play video games?
No, of course not. Alright, so we've already set it up. So the light is now color blue. That means very best yung signal natin here inside our studio.
So we can play.
Now, we're going to watch YouTube. Okay, let's see if YouTube works quite well with our signal. So youtube.com. Alright.
Can you watch Ryan?
Yan, so bukas siya. As
Can
you can
you
see,
watch
we are
Ryan?
connected using our
Can you
PLDT
watch
Home Wi-Fi.
Ryan?
Of course, let's see, no? And then let's use YouTube. Speed test tayo, or ano yung gamit nila? Ukla, no? Ukla.
What's a ukla?
Ukla.
I don't...
Okay.
You mean
Ukla,
ugly?
Ukla certified the Smart LTE as the fastest in the Philippines.
But I thought it was ugly mugly.
Ugly. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so let's go and check it out, guys.
So ugly Iron Man.
Now, let's go. Let's see how fast this is. We're inside the room. Ping is 26, and we're getting about
20.
what?
We're almost getting 20.
Almost 20 Mbps using
Hey,
this one.
we're almost getting 20.
Almost
no.
getting 20.
Oh no. Oh no, it's getting
15.74.
5. It's on 5. It's on 5. Maybe it's on 5.
Is it 5?
Maybe, more maybe, because it's on 10.
Okay, so for upload speed, we're getting about 10 Mbps. So upload speed, it's good if you're uploading videos. And YouTube naman is good also naman if you are watching videos. So yun yung basically
so can we watch
difference. No?
videos now?
Okay guys, that has been our quick unboxing and easy setup of the PLDT Home Wi-Fi powered by Smart LTE. I'm just going to ask a question here for my son. Matty, gaano kadali i-set up ang PLDT Home Wi-Fi from scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9. Bakit 9?
10.
9 or 10? Ano ba talaga?
10.
10, okay. Sige, bakit?
Because it is quick.
It is quick and also it is very easy.
And the signal is still blue.
It's blue.
Why do it just don't blink on red.
Red. Because red means bad
Bad
signal. Kapag ka-blinking yung red, anong Rina?
No signal.
No signal. Kapag green, okay lang.
Yes, just
Pag blue,
best signal.
best signal.
But
Alright.
still, can I still watch Ryan?
Of course you can, right?
Yay.
Don't worry, after this video. So guys, if you're going to get this, I highly suggest that you check first. Use your smartphone. If you have a smart SIM, use your smartphone, fire up speed test, and check out your signal at home. So test nyo yan, test nyo sa window, test nyo sa loob ng bahay.
Answer this?
Sure. Kasi, we don't know. Baka naman kasi doon sa location ninyo, hindi pa magandang signal ng PLDT or smart rather. And I think it's the best way for that is to test first even prior to basically, buy this one. So that's my suggestion to all of you. Now, of course, in terms of the prepaid plans, you can check it out down below. It is now displayed right there. You get the Home Boost 50, and with that, you can even extend that by getting Home Boost 15. So you can just simply pay 15 for additional 1 gig of data allocation. So ganun lang siya, no? So it's up to you. You can even get 1 month, no, of prepaid planning. If you want to extend more, buy ka lang ulit ng 15 pesos for additional 1 gig of data allocation.
Do we own this?
Oh yes, we bought it.
Oh, I thought we broke it.
Alright, again, this has been GN of Gadget Pilipinas, and this is my...
Son.
What is your name again? Your name is Piero, di ba?
No, my name is Paolo.
Okay. Alright, bye guys, bye!
And I'm still gonna watch.
Okay, let's watch Ryan's story review.
Yay!
Bye!
Hi guys, I'm Mateo. Hi guys, I'm Mateo.
And I am GN.
And today this is our first I forgot what I'm supposed to say.
Ulit tuloy.
But
Alright.
every other thing is and bye-bye guys. And again, my name is
Hindi.
Mateo.
Ako muna. Tayo, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ganun na, 1, 2, 3. Dapat ganun na, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Naunahan mo ako dun, eh. Kabila naman left. 1, 2, 3.